Nestled in the Appalachian Mountains is the town of Oliver Springs, Tennessee, home to Windrock Park, the largest privately owned OHV riding area in the country, consisting of 73,000 acres and over 300 miles of trail riding for everything from ATVs, side-by-sides, dirt bikes, mountain bikes, jeeps, buggies, and trucks. But it's the Appalachian Toyota Roundup that brings us here every Labor Day weekend. ATR is an annual charity event that gives Toyota enthusiasts like ourselves a chance to explore the mountains of Tennessee and put our vehicles to the test, all for a good cause. For us, the trip to Windrock started early. After loading up the truck and stopping for gas, it was time to set off. Our route was nearly 300 miles in 4 hours, with a stop in Morganton, North Carolina, where we met up with the rest of our crew. Where'd you steal Max tracks from? With the crew all together, it was time to make our way to Oliver Springs. We allowed enough time for one last fuel stop and a few minutes for breakfast. Registration was at 9, and then it would be time to get out on the trails. We're getting ready to go get food. It's a video.
Ah! This good with you?
What are you going to get for breakfast?
I don't know.
Spaghetti?
A breakfast spaghetti?
You know what you're gonna get? Grits? Biscuits? Yes. This is the
A steak, a breakfast steak.
Here you go. Biscuits?
I would have a breakfast steak.
Also want to remind you that it is recommended everyone practice proper social distancing. So please be aware of the other guests around you and try to maintain a safe distance.
After finishing the final leg of our trip, we decided we would do a guided trail for day one. Our group ended up with 24 trucks on moderate difficulty trails, which made for quite a bit of downtime.
Hey.
What's up, bud?
Having a good day. Can't wait to have a blast, and we're going to enjoy a beautiful day in the woods with some friends.
Me again.
Hey, girl, hey!
Hey!
Well, I don't have any. I don't have any raffle tickets.
Well, there should be a red one and a white one in there,
What there should be and what there do be.
and then you should have a couple your food ones.
No, now I know Taylor's got our food tickets.
Oh, okay.
He may have those as well, but
It was here, during a brief stop, that we took our first bit of trail damage and learned a valuable lesson. The rear window of an FJ will give out before a GoPro clamp.
If I have to get winched up, get over there behind those trees.
Saturday, we decided to make our own path. Our friends Kevin and Dave joined the group for what turned out to be another great day of trail riding at Windrock. The route we chose was a mix of easy and moderate difficulty trails in the northern half of the park. Panther Rock was the perfect spot for us to take a break for lunch, get out of the trucks to stretch our legs, and let the kids play. Kevin was the only one of us willing to try this obstacle, and unfortunately for him, we ran out of storage minutes before he successfully made it up. A big part of what makes ATR special is the people. After spending the day on the trail, we made our way back to the event area where we were treated with a barbecue dinner and live music. The evening was closed out with a raffle and awards given to some of the attendees. 2020 has been a difficult year for many of us, but ATR provided us with a getaway we all needed.